Guys, we are headed out. Okay, hubby's in the truck waiting for me, and we're headed out to go somewhere. You'll have to wait and see where that is. Hi, y'all. I'm having a good hair day, sorta. I don't know. I really got a really good haircut, even though it doesn't look like it, because I laid on it in the bed for a little bit. Anyway, so hubby and I are going somewhere. Should we tell them or wait? They're gonna know from the thumbnail anyway. All right, so I have a gluten-free granola bar and I have my coffee, and we're going to head out to the store for a little surprise. Okay, y'all, I'm sitting in the back seat. We got 2 cats. Hubby wanted 2. He got his way. Because this is your birthday present. Can't unzip them. I can't unzip it. But can you see them in there? I'll take them out when we get home. One is what? 3 months, and the other is 2 months old? 2.5 and 4.
No, they're 1 month apart.
Okay.
So it's either 2 and 3 or 3 and 4.
One is definitely bigger than the other. They're both boys. Okay, guys. This is Calvin. And Hobbs is in there sleeping. Oh my God, so cute. Him's tiny. He's so tiny. Okay, y'all, so my yoga room has turned into a cat room now. It was not a very long-lived yoga room. You shall see. The other one, yes, there's another one. We got 2 cats. That one's hot. Well, you can't see too good because it's dark in here. But he is sleeping. He is a chill cat. And that's Hobbs in there. Calvin and Hobbs. This one's very curious and very tiny. Okay, so Calvin only made one little tiny in the car, and that was it. And Hobbs hasn't made one sound. Our cats, Callie and Kirby, used to cry something awful in the car. They would not shut up. Oh my God. These guys were so chill. I don't know if it's just temporary or what, but it'd be nice to have some chill cats, right?
Yes.
We had high maintenance cats. Actually, Callie wasn't high maintenance until the very end. Kirby's high maintenance. Kirby's always in high maintenance. Calvin just took one of these little fishy toys in there. I swear he's bringing it to Hobbs, and he's probably like saying, "Hey, play with me." Just bring it in the little cat carrier. Hobbs is not moving. So we got a little playground going on here. Make use of this thing. Bought that at Target. Got the shark bed out. Hobbs is in the carrier. We'll leave that out. Found a bunch of the kids' toys, plus I bought some other toys. Hobbs is playing, Calvin is playing with some little fishy thing that I bought from Target. Really likes it. My son bought that shark bed a while back ago. Yeah, our cats, Kirby and Callie, never wanted it, and the same thing with the cat tunnel. So making use of that.